Hello. In this part, we are going to take a look at data registers. Okay, so there are four 32-bit data registers which are used in arithmetic, logic, and other operations. Okay, so these 32-bit registers can be used in three ways. Okay, they can be used as complete 32-bit data registers. Okay, so for example, the EX, the EBX, ECX, and the EDX. Okay, so they can be used as lower halves. Okay, they can be used they can be used as complete 32-bit data registers, and the lower halves of the 32-bit registers can be used as 416-bit data registers. Okay, so for example, the AX, EBX, CX, and the DX. Okay, so the lower and the higher halves of the above mentioned DR4 16-bit registers can be used as 8-bit data registers. Okay, so for example, the the AL, and even for the BH, BL, and for the CH, CL, and for the DH, and DL. Okay, like that. Okay, so here I have a picture that I want to show you, the image that I want to show you. Let me show it to you. So here I have it. It's right here. So as you can see, 32-bit registers. As you can see down, we have the EX, EBX, ECX, and EDX. Okay, so I'm going to explain the purpose of this one. So here, and under the EX, we have H, and the AL. For the B, we have BH, BL, CH, CL, and DHDL. Okay, like that. So these ones, so AX can be used as an accumulator, and BX can be used as the base, and CX as the counter, and the DX as the data. Okay, containing the data, like that. Okay, so let me explain these ones. Okay, so AX is the primary accumulator. Okay, AX is the primary accumulator, and it's used in input, output, and most arithmetic instructions. Okay, so for example, in multiplication operations, or one operand is stored in EX or AX or AL registers according to the size of the operand. Okay, so here the BX is known as the base register, as it could be used in indexed addressing. Okay, so for the CX is known as the count register, as the CX registers store the loop count in iterative operations. Okay, so the DX is known as the data register, and it's also used in input output operations. Okay, and it's also used with the AX register along with DX for multiply and division, for multiplication and division operations. Okay, which involve large values. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at the pointer registers. Okay.